Hey there, Fit, Fun, and Fabulous coaches. Welcome to day one of our Push to Diamond training. This training is for serious coaches, coaches who are looking to take their coaching business to the next level, coaches who are not just treating it as a hobby or something to do on the side, but treating it as their business. Coaches who are not just taking directive and following a training course, but truly diving in and treating themselves like the CEO of a business that could have a great return. And when I say a great return, I'm not just talking about monetarily, but in terms of our sisterhood and our brotherhoods, and in terms of just your spiritual development towards becoming a better person. That's what I love about Fit, Fun, and Fabulous and about Beachbody, to be honest, because where else can you get people from all across the U.S. who've never really met and maybe met a couple of times, but all working towards the common goal. So here's where we do that, and it actually starts now and it starts today. So be intentional this week, you guys, about your business. Think through the assignments, read them thoroughly, don't just skim them. Be serious and intentional, and you will see a shift. Now, we're not expecting everyone to end 30 days as a diamond coach, but we are. That would be nice, don't get me wrong, it would be nice, but we are expecting everyone to at least rank advanced, to at least see behind the curtain as to how we operate to consistently make Success Club. Because for me, I think it's month 19 that I've hit Success Club 5. But that is through intention, that is through follow-up, that is through just really wanting it. So you have to ask yourself, do I really want this? Do I really want this? And if you do, great. We're going to show you how to make it happen. But if you're kind of on a fence, this month is definitely not for you. And that's okay, because we have a slower track as well. Coach Bo is driving the Emerald track. And that's a little slower, so you can actually follow that training, and you're not required to do this diamond training. But for the diamond training, you are expected to rise above and to actually complete the assignments as they're posted and be engaged and ask questions and that whole deal. So we're looking for you. We're looking to help you, and we're looking to help you push. So we're here for you, you guys. I look forward to seeing your responses to the assignments every day. I look forward to celebrating your successes along the way. And I look forward to praying for you as you encounter obstacles, because you will. We all do. But what do? Do you fight or do you flight? And in my particular situation, it's based on my desire. How bad do I want it? Am I going to let excuses stop me from reaching my goal? And for me, the answer is no. I set out a goal at the beginning of January to give this all I have. And so what you see is me giving it all I have. So run your own best race, though. You guys, don't try to compare yourself to me. Don't try to compare yourself to Garnett, because everyone's coaching journey is specific to them. Love yourself where you are in the journey as you journey through this, and don't compare, because we know comparison, even with our challengers, is the thief of all joy. So you guys, run your own best race, do your own personal best, and you will succeed. You will be a better coach at the end of these 30 days. I'm 100% confirmed about that. So in any case, you guys, enjoy day one of the training, enjoy each other, enjoy the interaction, and good luck. Talk to you guys again soon. Bye.